To add a credit card in the Amazon Shopping app, start by opening the app and signing in to your account. Once you are signed in, tap the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on Account. In the Account section, scroll down to the Payments section and tap on Add a Payment Method. You will then be presented with a list of payment options, including credit cards. Tap on Credit or Debit Card to proceed with adding your credit card. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details accurately, as incorrect information may prevent your card from being added. After entering your credit card details, tap on Continue to proceed. You may be asked to verify your credit card by Amazon, which is a security measure to ensure the card is valid and belongs to you. Once your credit card has been verified, you can set it as your default payment method or use it to make a one-time payment. To set it as your default payment method, go to the Account section, tap on Payment Options, and then select your credit card from the list of available payment methods. It is essential to ensure your credit card information is up to date and accurate to avoid any issues with your payments. You can edit or remove your credit card information at any time by going to the Payment Options section. When adding a credit card to the Amazon Shopping app, make sure to use a secure internet connection and keep your device and app up to date to protect your financial information. By following these steps, you can easily add a credit card to the Amazon Shopping app and make secure and convenient purchases.